look at how you spend your entertainment dollar, or your dollar in general, you always try to capitalize on the opportunity. Our challenge as an organization is that we cannot control the performance and what happens on the field. But we can definitely make our best effort in providing those types of amenities and services to make sure that you as a fan are wowed by the experience.
The experience for the fan begins outside the stadium. Traffic flow, parking, getting through the gate quickly, finding their seats, and having their favorite food and beverages close by. All of this builds loyalty, regardless of how your team is playing, but of course it helps if your team is playing well.
The stadium to the community is a gathering point. It's a gathering point for people that typically come together under the auspices of their fan passion for their particular team.
It's more than just an event. A team contributes to the identity and pride of a community. The stadium becomes the home for that community.
As much as we try from a technology standpoint to bring all of these touch points together and provide them to our different stakeholders, whether it's our CFO looking at the business impact as it's going on, whether it's the general manager of our concessions looking at, look, do we have long lines? Do I need to staff differently? Do we need to redirect traffic? All of these different components are being distributed in a very siloed fashion.
Having our business siloed creates one of two things: a lot of duplication or a lot of extra spending.
We've started looking for solutions in the marketplace that takes all of these different data points, collapses them into some sort of a dashboard, and not only presenting data points, but providing intelligence overlaying on that without disrupting the systems themselves. IBM has done some interesting things with their smarter cities. This is a great application for us to work together and collaborate. We have a great relationship with Mark Wiley from Flagship, and he immediately brought in IBM.
As a part of the discovery aspect of this, we spent time behind the scenes looking for areas that needed improvement, areas that might be single points of failure, and trying to figure out a way to be able to enhance the fan experience while at the same time streamlining some of the operations.
The IOC solution was adopted because we looked at it as an opportunity to pull together all the data, give us the opportunity to look at it across one dashboard. We initially started with 5 areas we wanted to be able to examine the data on: concession, security, gate management, weather, and alcohol safety.
So the insight into all of these data points are definitely a game changer for us. Taking all of this information and consolidating it and disseminating it provides a differentiator for us.
Understanding what fans want is a key component for future growth. Technology is giving that insight.
I can project that we're going to be looking at 90 to 95% increase in our efficiencies when you look at line management, when you look at redirecting traffic, when you look at staffing. That clearly is a change agent for us.
Now what they'll have the ability to do is to make, as I kiddingly refer to, audibles on game day, but around concessions and things that could help improve sales and increase, again, the fan experience.
Going to a game should be an experience that a fan remembers for the rest of their lives.